On this video today, I'm going to show you the simplest way that you can use to make money with CPA offers as a complete beginner with zero skills, zero experience. This method is free. You are not required to invest any money. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to create your CPA group accounts. Once you create your CPA group accounts, the next step is that you are going to come right here. Once you are here, you have to click on offer tools. Once you click on offer tools, select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, these are offers that you can promote to earn money on CPA group. You can see this offer right here. The payout is 20 cents. You can see another one, $1.71. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll and then select any of these offers that you want to promote. As I scroll, you can see many of them. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a country whereby you have a traffic source, so that you can promote offers in that country to earn money. If you want to search for any country, what you have to do is that you have to just click right here. Once you click on it, you can scroll down and select any country that you want. CPA Group allows you to promote offers in any country that you like. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can select and then get offers to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. So what you have to do is that you have to always search for European countries or the tier 1 countries, so that you can get offers that will pay you higher amount. For example, let's search for Canada. So once you type Canada here, you just click on it so that you can find offers to promote. As you can see, these are offers that you can promote to people in Canada so that they can take action for you to make money. You can see this one right here. The payout is $2.05. You can see right here your potential visitors have to enter an email and zip code so that they can stand a chance of winning $750. And you can see right here your payout is $2.05. There are many offers that you can promote, but the requirement is different. You can see this one right here. The requirement is credit card submit. You can see this one is email and zip code. You can see this one right here, email and zip code. You can see mobile install. So your potential visitors have to install a mobile app so that you can earn 17 cents. You can see it right here. You can see this one is credit card submit. You can see credit card submit. You can see the devices are always here. So what you have to do is that you have to always look at the devices that the offer is allowed and the requirements. You can see it right here. There are many offers that you can promote. Some are going to pay you higher amount, some are going to pay you low. So you can just scroll down and then select any of the offers that you want. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to be promoting offers in the United States. So you are going to just click right here. Once you click on it, you are going to search for US. So just search for it. You can see United States right here. As I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote to people in the United States. You can see a whole lot of them. So what we are going to do is that we are going to select one of these offers so that we can promote it to earn money from home. You can see this offer right here. Grab your $10,000 now. The requirement is that your potential visitor has to enter an email and zip code so that they can stand the chance of winning this amount of money. You can see right here they are allowed to complete the offer on iOS mobile device. You can see it right here. So the mobile operating system must be iOS. If they do it on Android, you are not going to be earning money. So you have to consider the device before you promote the offer. You can see this one right here. It is allowed on all mobile devices. So any kind of mobile phone that your potential visitor is using, they can complete the offer for you to make money. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to promote this offer right here. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you have clicked on it, you are going to see a page like this. You can see the requirement here. Enter your mobile number now for a chance to win. You can see the payout right here. This is your affiliate link. You can see the warning right here. This offer is only allowed on mobile devices. This offer is only allowed in the United States. So now what you have to do is that you have to begin promoting this product so that you can get people in the United States to enter the requirement so that you can be earning money on CPA Group. The next step is that you are going to come on this website, sweepgrab.com. This website allows you to give away items for free. You can see right here somebody is giving something away right here, and you can see the offer is available in the United States and then Canada. You can see it right here. You can see another one is giving $1,000 away. You can see another one is giving $250 holiday book away. You can see it right here. You can see there's another offer right here that someone is also promoting. So there are many items that people give away on this website. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. You can see this one right here, $3,553. There are many things that people are giving away on this platform. You can see $500 Amazon gift card. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of different offers that people are giving away. If you click on page 2, you are still going to find offers that people are giving away to others. You can see page 3, page 4, page 5, and many others. So a lot of people are using this platform to make money with CPA offers. When you come right here, you can see you can promote your offer to any of these categories. You can see right here auto, you can see books, cash and gift cards, you can see children products, electronics, entertainment, food and drinks, garden, household, and then many others. So whatever item that you want to give away, you can use this particular website to reach people from anywhere in the world so that they can get the offer. In our case, we are promoting a CPA offer. So when we get people to enter their details to receive the offer, we are going to be paid on CPA Grip. As you can see on SimilarWeb, 66.13% of the people who visit sweepgrab.com are from the United States. You can see it right here. This is highly targeted traffic source that you can use to make money with CPA offers. So now what you have to do is that you have to create an account on SweepGrab so that you can promote the offer. To create an account, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, join. Once you click on join, you are going to enter your username, email address, password, and you are going to click right here, I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you are going to click on create account so that you can create your free accounts. So I'm going to log into my account so that I can show you all the details that you need to know about this particular website. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to submit your offer to this platform so that you can get people to complete it for you to make money. To submit your offer on this platform, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, submit. Once you click on submit, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to enter the title of the offer that you are promoting right here, and then your affiliate link right here. So we are going to go back on CPA Grip and then copy and paste our details right here. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to highlight and then copy the title of the offer. So just highlight and copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back on SweepGrab and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to copy and paste your affiliate link right here. So just go back on CPA Grip. Once you come back on CPA Grip, this is your affiliate link. So what you have to do is that you have to select a tracking domain. So just select any of these domains that you want. Just select any of them. Once you select the tracking domain, the next step is that you are going to click right here, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come right here and then paste your affiliate link. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you can see right here price value. So you are going to enter the price of the giveaway. In our case, you can see it's $750. As you can see it right here. So just enter that amount right here. So you are going to type $750. Once that is done, you are going to select the category of the offer that you are promoting. So just click right here. Once you click on it, you can see there are different categories that you can select. In this case, we are going to select cash and gift cards. So just select that. Once you select the category, the next step is that you are going to select the country. You can see you can select any of these countries. If the offer is available worldwide, you are going to select worldwide. In our case, the offer is only allowed in the United States. When you come back on CPA Grip, you can see this offer is only allowed in the United States. So you have to select the United States right here. When you select the United States, this particular website is going to show your offers to people in the United States so that they can take action for you to make money. Once that is done, you can see if you want to exclude anything, you can just type it right here, but we are not going to do that. So just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see age limit. If your offer is not appropriate for all ages, you can just click on it and select the appropriate age. In this case, I'm going to select 13 plus. Once that is done, you can see entry limit. So you can just select any of them. You can see single entry, daily entry, weekly entry. You can see monthly entry. We are going to select single entry. We don't want people to enter multiple times so that CPA Grip will detect that we are faking to earn money. So just select single entry. So once a person enters once, that is their last chance. They are not supposed to enter again. Once that is done, you can see company name. So you're going to just type your name right here. As you can see, I just type my name and then add limited. So once that is done, the next step is that we are going to write a description right here. So just write a brief description about the offer. So mostly you have to write what the people have to do so that they can get access to the offer. So I'm going to write and paste my description right here. As you can see, this is my description. So you can just write a simple description like this and then paste it right here. Once that is done, you are going to upload the image of the offer right here. So you have to go back on CPA Grip so that you can get the image of the offer. So just come back on CPA Grip. Once you are on CPA Grip, you are going to put your pointer on the image of the offer. Once that is done, right click. Once you right click, select save image as. Once you have saved the image, the next step is that you are going to click right here, choose image, so that you can upload the image of the offer. Once you click on choose image, just select the image and then click on open. As you can see, this is the image of the offer. The next step is that you are going to submit it to the website. So just scroll, you can see right here, total cost 0, so you are not going to pay for anything. If you want premium features, you can just pay $4, but in this case we are going to promote it for free, so that when we get conversion we can then use the money to pay for the premium features. So just click right here, submit giveaway. I've made a mistake. You can see the end date, so you have to just enter the end date right here. So just select any date. In this case you can just select the end of the month, so just select 30th of November. I don't know the time that you are going to watch this video, so make sure you enter any date that you want. It doesn't matter, just enter any date that you want. Once you enter the date, just come back and then click on submit giveaway, so that your offer can be submitted onto the website. As you can see, once you click on submit, you can see we received your submission. We will be sure to review it and then publish it within the next 24 hours. So your offer has been submitted to the platform and they are going to publish it to the audience, so that you can get people to complete the offer for you to make money.